Today was the ideal day to work on a couple of videos that I haven't been doing for almost a month now, but it's such a nice day out here today. I think I'll spend a few minutes out here. We just came back from the Collier County Fairgrounds to check out a place where I could fly my drone. There's a club that has a place out there that I have to contact. They're mostly fixed wing, but maybe that's a good idea to join the club and have a place to go. The guy from Parks and Recreation said that the fairgrounds is a good place to fly the drone. The only thing is, there's a fair going on from yesterday till the end of the month, so it's going to be crowded there for 2 weeks. So I'll have to stick around this area here, but just to keep out in the sun a little bit and waiting on my iPad mini, because I ordered one of those. It should be in here today because I sent back my Galaxy Tab Pro or Tab A because it was a little bit big, and then it wasn't what I thought it was. It wasn't as good as the tablet that I bought about 3 years ago. So the only problem with my tablet from 3 years ago is the battery goes dead a lot, and so I needed something new. So, and there's Sadie. Say hello, Sadie. Say hello. Yeah. Okay. So just enjoying the sun right now, or enjoying the shade outside. It's supposed to be really warm for the rest of the week. So. Here we go. Yeah. Just a side note here, I'm not an Apple person. I've never had an Apple product before. I've been PC all the way, and for tablets, Android. So this is going to be a new experience for me. The only reason I got the iPad mini is because it fits in the controller really nice, and the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum and all the DJI products are specifically made for the iPad products, iOS or whatever you want to call it. So I figured I better get that. This is my Samsung S8 that I'm recording with right now. On the first flight out, I lost contact. I was only about maybe 300 feet out, and the screen froze up. And when I was if you saw the first video on what is Tom doing, my first flight, I had on there that it took 21 minutes for it to boot up. The screens kept on freezing on here, and so that's one of the main reasons why I'm going to go with the iPad. My second flight, I already did the flight. I haven't worked on a video yet, but it was a little bit better with the Tab Pro, but the Tab Pro is a little bit big. It was like a 10-inch one, and it's really bulky, and I still couldn't see very well. I mean, with the sun here. In the middle of the afternoon, I mean, there's just too much glare on the screen. So with the iPad, it's a little bit smaller, and I bought a glare screen for the controller that fits right on top of the antennas. So we'll see what that looks like as soon as I get that configured and get it out. And it probably won't be today because it'll take me a while to get used to the iPad and get it set up with the drone. And I'll still have to fly out here unless I could go down to another location. There's another club that's about down in Marco Island, but that's a little bit further. That's like between 15 and 20 miles down there. But I mean, those are strictly fixed wing aircraft. I didn't see anything on there about drones or anything. I looked up the website of this other one, Collier Fun Flyers. When I Googled them, in the beginning, they didn't even show up on the Google search. So I just looked them up real quick when we was out there at the fairgrounds, and I couldn't get too much information on it on this little cell phone. So I'm going to have to look it up on the web and then give them a call and see if what's going on with their club. But it looks like nice. The fairgrounds is really big. It's off to the one corner of it where they have their launch pads and everything. So I'm excited about that. Maybe once the fair is gone, I have to wait till April. Fair's over March 29th. So and it's only like 6 miles down the road from here, so 7 miles down the road. Yeah, 7 miles. And so that's pretty close. So that's a good option for me. So just enjoying the weather. So it's supposed to be in the high 80s for the rest of the week. And I did some organizing in the train room yesterday, and that's going to be one of the videos. And another one is going to be a better unboxing of what I got from another model railroader, Kurt, with the Tam Valley products. He sent me back some instructions, and I told him I'm going to be doing another video on it, so hopefully I'll be working on that today. And what else did I hit? And I'm going to do a member-only video also about YouTube, because YouTube is making some changes. And if you're on Classic, you don't have that much time left, because on March the 3rd they announced in 2 weeks it will be 100% YouTube Studio. So you got that's 10 days ago, so you got about 4 more days to go before everything goes to YouTube Studio, and the little trap door for the Classic will be gone, and you won't be able to go back. Although some of the features that are not ready on Studio will still be available through the menus on Studio. But if anybody needs any help with it, let me know. I've been using it for 3 months now, and I was the garbage truck going by. I've been using it for about 3 months now, and I was bad-mouthing it at the beginning because I was one of the first closed beta testers on it, and it went through a lot of hell. It's been out, it's been in beta for over 2 years, so that's how far back it goes, and you would not believe how bad it was in the beginning. That's what turned me away from it, but they made a lot of improvements on it, and it's a really good product now, so you're gonna have to take a look at it. So for now, we'll see you.